Assalamu alaikum. Once again, my name is Sami Kabir. Today, I will be talking about the two types of contract that is prescribed here in North America by Mufti Taqi Usmani. First of all, let's talk about Murabaha. Murabaha is basically buy and sell. You buy a product for a price and you sell it for a markup. The price that you want to sell it for, you choose, and completely up to you. But then again, you need to consider the market. You need to benchmark your product or the services so that you will not be out of business, or people who are going to purchase your services or your product be able to afford it at the same time. So what is called benchmark. So you go ahead and benchmark your product. Now, Murabaha would work in terms of financing home in mortgages is where the bank will tell you, you go to the bank and you ask the bank, hey, I have selected a house and I would like to purchase this house. Or you can say, I would like to purchase a house, how much can I get? The bank will tell you, okay, based on your income, based on your credit, and based on your assets, we will approve you for X amount of dollar. Now go ahead and look for a house for this much. And you have an option of going and involving an agent who will actually help you find a property. Let's say you find the property and the bank tells you, okay, how much is it? It's $500,000. You purchase the property for $500,000. The bank will purchase it. Then bank will say that I will sell it to you for $900,000. Now $900,000 will be divided into, let's say, 30 years, 360 months, and this is exactly how much you will be paying me. Bank is saying to the customer. That is a Murabaha contract. There is nothing else. Nothing happens after that. The bank will wait for 30 years for you to pay. Now, at any time, you should be able to pay off the bank. You can pay extra. You can pay as much as you want, however you want, but you cannot do is pay less than what is the minimum monthly payment is agreed upon. Otherwise, it will take more than 30 days. The agreement in Murabaha is also that it has to end at a certain time. A certain amount has to be profited by the bank. Also, the bank cannot predetermine how much they will forgive you. And also, the bank cannot sell your obligation to pay them off. That obligation cannot be sold to a third party. What I mean by that is that here in America, the banking system have a secondary investor who actually purchases mortgage notes which are based on interest. The secondary investor would purchase from the bank gets the liquid back, and they will go ahead and finance another property. Similarly, a Murabaha, a bank that is practicing Murabaha should not be selling your debt to another investor. Why? Because that is not according to the Sharia. Murabaha contract does not have that option. A bank cannot sell that. So here in America, if there are any bank who are practicing Murabaha program, they should not be able to sell it to a third party. Then it becomes a instrument of selling debt. And also they should not be able to forgive you. But this also prohibits a homeowner from refinancing. If the rates goes down with, let's say, Bank of America, Chase, Citibank, these banks are giving very low rate for some reason because of the market. The rate drops. Everybody's refinancing. Their monthly payments are less. But you, on the other hand, with the bank, you purchase a product with Murabaha, you will not be able to refinance. The reason is that you have to pay off first, and then you can refinance it. So it actually prohibits the homeowner from doing so. If you would like to use the equity of your house, you also will not be able to use the equity of the house by taking a cash out or home equity line of credit. So these are the things that prohibits from you. But if there are banks who are out there who will be able to do this, then yes, Murabaha contract is legit here in this country according to Mufti Taqi Usmani, and you should be able to use it. Now, Everything and anything that I'm telling you here, everything is coming from the book of Mufti Taqi Usmani. It's you can refer to Introduction to Islamic Finance by Mufti Taqi Usmani. You can Google it, and you should be able to get the free PDF version. If not, if you're looking for the book, you can always contact me at Sami Kabir. This video has gone longer than expected. My next video will be talking about the other program, which is Musharaka in North America. Assalamu alaikum.